Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, fellow drivers. Tire rotation is key to extending the lifespan of your tires and ensuring a smoother ride. In this ultimate guide, we're exploring the importance, frequency, and DIY steps of tire rotation. Join us as we uncover the crucial details and walk you through the process, empowering you to maintain your tires for optimal performance and longevity. The ultimate guide to tire rotation. Importance, frequency, and DIY steps. Are you wondering about the importance of rotating your tires and how often you should do it? Tire rotation is a critical aspect of car maintenance that often gets overlooked. In this video, we will explore the reasons why tire rotation is essential and provide information on how often you should perform this crucial task. By the end of this post, you will have a clear understanding of the benefits of tire rotation and the recommended frequency for this maintenance procedure. Importance of tire rotation. Even tread wear. Regular tire rotation is essential for ensuring even tread wear on all four tires. Without rotation, the front or rear tires may wear out unevenly, leading to reduced performance and safety issues. Uneven tread wear can also affect the vehicle's alignment and suspension, resulting in additional maintenance and repair costs. Extended tire life. Tire rotation helps to extend the overall life of your tires. By distributing the wear more evenly, each tire can maintain its optimal tread depth for a longer period. This extends the lifespan of the entire set of tires, ultimately saving you money by delaying the need for replacements. Improved performance and handling. Properly rotated tires contribute to improved performance and handling of the vehicle. With even tread wear, the tires can maintain consistent traction and grip on the road, enhancing control and maneuverability. This is particularly important in challenging driving conditions, such as wet or slippery roads, where tire performance is crucial. Signs that it's time to rotate. Uneven tread wear. When it's about time to rotate your tires, one of the first signs you may notice is uneven tread wear. This occurs when the tires wear down at different rates. Take a close look at the treads. If you notice that some areas are more worn out than others, it's a clear indication that a tire rotation is in order. This can happen due to factors like improper wheel alignment or regular driving patterns. Vehicle vibrations. Another sign that it's time to rotate your tires is persistent vibrations in your vehicle. If you start feeling excessive vibrations, especially at higher speeds, it could be an indicator of uneven tire wear. Vibrations are not only uncomfortable but can also indicate potential safety concerns. Addressing this issue promptly by rotating the tires can help restore a smoother, more comfortable ride. Tire pressure discrepancies. Keeping an eye on tire pressure is crucial, not just for fuel efficiency but also for tire maintenance. If you notice significant differences in tire pressure between the front and rear tires or between the left and right tires, it could be time for a tire rotation. Uneven tire pressure often results from uneven tire wear, which can be corrected with a proper rotation schedule. By being attentive to these signs and addressing them promptly, you can not only extend the lifespan of your tires but also ensure a safer and smoother driving experience. How often to rotate your tires? Tire rotation is an essential aspect of vehicle maintenance to ensure even tread wear and maximize tire longevity. As a general rule of thumb, it is recommended to rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, or every 6 months, depending on your driving habits and the type of vehicle you own. Regular rotation helps distribute the wear evenly among all tires, extending their lifespan and optimizing performance. Manufacturer recommendations. It is crucial to adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines for tire rotation intervals, as outlined in the vehicle's owner's manual. Different car models and tire types may have specific recommendations based on factors such as tread patterns, tire size, and drivetrain configurations. Following the manufacturer's guidelines ensures that you maintain the warranty and achieve the best performance and safety from your tires. Considerations for all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive vehicles. For all-wheel drive, AWD, and rear-wheel drive, RWD, vehicles, tire rotation becomes even more critical due to the uneven distribution of power and weight. In these vehicles, the drive wheels wear out faster than the others, emphasizing the need for regular tire rotation. Consult your vehicle's manual or a professional mechanic to determine the most effective rotation pattern for your specific drivetrain configuration, ensuring balanced wear across all tires. By adhering to general guidelines and manufacturer recommendations, and considering the specifics of your vehicle's drivetrain, you can implement an effective tire rotation schedule, promoting the safety, performance, and longevity of your tires. DIY tire rotation steps. Gather required tools. To begin your DIY tire rotation, ensure you have the necessary tools on hand. a hydraulic jack, jack stands, a torque wrench, a tire iron or lug wrench, and wheel chocks. Having these tools readily available will streamline the tire rotation process and enhance safety. Locate jacking points. Before lifting your vehicle, consult your owner's manual to identify the manufacturer's recommended jacking points. Position the hydraulic jack at the designated jacking points to elevate the vehicle safely and securely. Rotating front and rear tires. Start by removing each tire and swapping the front tires with the rear ones. This involves carefully loosening the lug nuts, removing the tire, and then reattaching it in the appropriate new position. Repeat this process for all 4 tires. Lowering the vehicle. Once the tires have been rotated, carefully lower the vehicle from the jack stands using the hydraulic jack. Ensure that the vehicle is resting securely on the ground before proceeding to the final step of the tire rotation process. Torquing the lug nuts. Finish by using a torque wrench to properly tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. This step is crucial for ensuring the wheels are securely fastened and aligned, promoting safe driving and optimal tire longevity. Professional tire rotation. Seeking professional assistance for tire rotation offers various benefits, ensuring the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Professional tire rotation involves the expert assessment and repositioning of tires to ensure even tread wear and optimal handling. Here's why you should consider a professional tire rotation when seeking professional assistance and cost considerations. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Benefits of professional service. Expert evaluation. Professional tire rotation involves a comprehensive evaluation of tire condition, tread wear, and alignment, ensuring that any underlying issues are identified and addressed. Optimal performance. By entrusting your tire rotation to professionals, you can ensure that the tires are repositioned according to the specific needs of your vehicle, promoting balanced traction and handling. Enhanced safety. Properly rotated tires contribute to improved safety on the road, minimizing the risk of blowouts and enhancing stability, especially in adverse weather conditions. When to seek professional assistance. Consider seeking professional assistance for tire rotation in the following instances. Your vehicle manufacturer recommends a specific mileage interval for tire rotation. Uneven tread wear is observed on your tires, indicating the need for professional evaluation and repositioning. You notice vibrations or a pulling sensation while driving, which could be indicative of tire imbalance or misalignment. Cost considerations. The cost of professional tire rotation can vary depending on factors such as the service provider, location, and any additional services required. On average, the cost of professional tire rotation typically ranges from $20 to $50. It's essential to consider this cost as an investment in the overall performance and longevity of your vehicle, potentially saving you money in the long run by preventing premature tire replacement and addressing underlying issues proactively. By understanding how to rotate tires, the benefits of doing so, and the recommended frequency, you can ensure that your vehicle's tires wear evenly, leading to improved safety, handling, and fuel efficiency. Regular tire rotation can also extend the lifespan of your tires and save you money in the long run. By following a simple tire rotation schedule, you can maintain optimal performance and safety for your vehicle. Regular tire rotation is a small effort that can yield significant long-term benefits. Thanks for joining us as we explored the ultimate guide to tire rotation. By understanding the importance, frequency, and DIY steps, you're better equipped to take care of your tires and ensure a safer, more efficient driving experience. Stay tuned for more valuable car care insights and tips. Remember, regular tire rotation is a small step towards extending tire life and enhancing your driving comfort. Drive safe and keep those tires rolling. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.